Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel, where today we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping creations on the road. The legendary Kenworth W900 has always been known for its power, class, and timeless design, but in 2026, it's been transformed into something you have to see to believe. This isn't just a truck. It's a rolling five-star hotel on wheels, blending rugged trucking heritage with pure luxury living. Get ready, because what you're about to witness will completely redefine what you imagine a motorhome can be. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior. The W900 keeps its iconic long-nose design, with bold chrome accents, futuristic LED lighting, and a stance that screams authority on the highway. But the real surprise begins when you step inside. This isn't your typical RV, it's a luxury mansion, wrapped in the body of a legendary truck. As we enter the living space, the atmosphere immediately feels like a luxury suite. Plush leather seating, a full entertainment system with a 4K smart TV, and ambient LED lighting create a space that's both elegant and relaxing. The interior design uses a mix of premium wood and modern glossy finishes, giving you the feeling of stepping into a high-end apartment rather than a motorhome. Move into the kitchen, and you'll find a fully equipped setup that rivals what you'd see in a modern home. A sleek induction cooktop, convection oven, stainless steel fridge, and even a wine cooler are all here. Every detail is designed for convenience without sacrificing style, making long trips not just comfortable but truly enjoyable. The bedroom takes things to the next level with a king-size memory foam bed, soft touch lighting, and plenty of storage space. Imagine ending a long drive and stepping into a room that feels like a hotel suite, complete with soundproofing for ultimate relaxation. And yes, the bathroom is just as impressive. A walk-in rainfall shower, premium fixtures, and high-end finishes make it feel like a spa on wheels. This is luxury designed for the open road. Of course, let's not forget, it's still a Kenworth W900 under the hood. The 2026 model comes with a powerful next-gen engine, improved fuel efficiency, and advanced driver assist technology, blending performance with comfort in a way no other motorhome can. So is the Kenworth W900 2026 motorhome worth the hype? Absolutely. It's a masterpiece of design and engineering, offering the strength of a classic truck with the elegance of a five-star hotel. If you've ever dreamed of luxury without limits, this is it. Thanks for watching. And if you love powerful trucks turned into dream motorhomes, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Plus for more amazing reviews.